Viewers, we all know that you want to create high-quality videos every single day using 100% free tools. First, take a look at this cartoon-style video. Notice the characters, the colors, the animation style. Kids absolutely love this type of content, and right now, this niche is extremely trending. Cartoon videos attract millions, even billions of views because children enjoy watching them again and again. So today, I'm going to show you how you can create this type of cartoon video using completely free tools. Alright viewers, the first step is simple. Open YouTube and search for the channel Cocomelon. Take a look at how amazing this channel is. It has over 200 million subscribers and thousands of videos. Now let's go to the popular section. You can see the numbers for yourself. 8.5 billion views, 7.3 billion views, 4.7 billion views, 4.2 billion views, 3.4 billion views. These are not just millions, these are billions. That means this content is highly trending, and children are watching it worldwide. Now let's open one of their most popular videos. For example, Wheels on the Bus. Watch carefully. You'll see smooth cartoon motion, colorful characters, animated animals like elephants, happy friends traveling together, bright backgrounds, and engaging music. This is exactly the style we're going to recreate. Now here's what you need to do. Go back to the channel and carefully observe the scenes you like the most. Choose the one that stands out to you. Take a clear screenshot of that scene for inspiration. Once you've taken the screenshot, you're done with this step. Now we move to the next important part, generating the perfect prompt. Let's go, guys. Alright, viewers, now we're moving on to the first step. First of all, open the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, upload the screenshot of your favorite scene. Type this prompt. I want to create this type of cartoon video, so please give me 10 prompts and make sure the character is perfect and in 3D Pixar style like this image. Once you've written that, simply press Enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate high-quality, detailed prompts for you. First, it will provide a main character prompt. This is very important. 9. After that, it will generate 10 different scene-by-scene prompts. For example, you'll see scenes like morning wake-up song, ABC learning time, animal farm visit, playground adventure, and many more unique and creative concepts. Copy the main character prompt first, because we'll need it in the next stage. Now let's move on to the next step. Alright viewers, now let's move on to the next step, text-to-image generation. For generating high-quality cartoon images, we'll use Lendario AI. It gives you 150 free credits daily. That means every single day, you can generate multiple images completely free just by logging in. Now go to the Generate Image option. Since we are creating a cartoon video for YouTube, we'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio. This is perfect for landscape YouTube videos. However, if you're planning to create YouTube Shorts, you can choose a 9:16 ratio according to your needs. Next, paste your main character prompt first. This is very important because we want perfect character consistency in every scene. After pasting the main character prompt, go back to ChatGPT and copy your first scene prompt. For example, the morning wake-up song scene. Then return to Lendario AI and paste it below your character prompt. Now click on Generate. Within 10 to 15 seconds, your first image will be ready. And as you can see, the character looks amazing. The eyes are expressive, the background is colorful, and everything has that perfect 3D Pixar-style cartoon look. The lighting, textures, and overall environment feel professionally animated. Great, our first image is ready. Now repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, for example, the ABC learning scene, paste it into Lendario AI, and click Generate. Again, within 10 to 15 seconds, your second image will be ready. You'll see your main character standing with colorful ABC letters, perfectly matching the theme. Then copy the third scene, such as the grocery store scene, paste it, generate it, and your third image will be ready in seconds. Continue this process for the fourth prompt, fifth prompt, and so on. Scene by scene, generate all your images one by one. Within a short time, you'll have all 10 scenes fully generated with perfect character consistency. Now you can clearly see how amazing the results are. Every scene, from 1 to 10, has been generated beautifully. The character remains consistent, the backgrounds are vibrant, and the cartoon style looks polished and professional. Once all your images are ready, carefully review them and select your favorite versions. Then download all the final images, because in the next step, we'll convert these images into video using an image-to-video tool. All right, viewers, let's move on to the next step, image to video. For this step, we'll open the website called Dreamina AI. This website is absolutely amazing for converting images into high-quality animated videos. Before opening the website, I recommend turning on your VPN for smoother access. Now go to Dreamina AI and log in using your Gmail ID. After logging in, the platform gives you 120 free credits daily. That means you can generate multiple videos every single day for free. Once you're inside, you'll notice there are already some images and videos uploaded on the platform. These are sample creations that show how the website works and how different images are transformed into animated videos. You can view them one by one to understand the quality and animation style. As you can see, this tool is very impressive. Now let's start creating our own video. Scroll up and click on the AI Agent section. Inside this section, you'll see multiple options: AI Image Generation, AI Video Generation, AI Avatar Creation. But right now, we want to generate an AI video, so click on the AI Video Generate option. Next, select your first frame by uploading your first generated image. The platform automatically adjusts the resolution according to your uploaded image, so you don't need to change any settings manually. Now we need to add the motion prompt. For that, go back to Lendario AI, where we saved our prompts earlier. Copy the first scene prompt and paste it into Dreamina AI's prompt box, then click on Generate. It takes about 1 minute to create the video. Keep in mind that each video costs 25 credits. So with 120 daily credits, you can create around 4 videos per day. After about 1 minute, your first animated video will be ready. And as you can see, amazing character movement, smooth animation, expressive actions, and beautiful motion effects. Everything looks professional and dynamic. Now click Download and save your first video. Repeat the same process for the second image. Upload the second image, copy the second prompt from Lendario AI, paste it into Dreamina AI, and click Generate. Again, wait around 1 minute. Now your second video is ready. You can see the character interacting with ABC letters, moving and dancing smoothly. The animation looks engaging and high quality. Download this video as well. You can continue this process for the third and fourth images. Dreamina AI even allows you to upload multiple images at once. However, I'm explaining step by step, so it's easier for beginners to understand. Once all 4 videos are generated, download them and save them on your device. Now let's combine everything. Open CapCut, click on Import Files and upload all your generated videos. Arrange them in your preferred sequence on the timeline. If there's any watermark or logo visible, simply use the scale option and zoom slightly to crop it out. After arranging the sequence and making final adjustments, click on Export and choose your desired resolution, for example, 1080p for YouTube. And now, your amazing cartoon animation video is completely ready. You can see the smooth character movement, vibrant animation style, and professional look. I hope you really enjoyed today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel Smart Tech Studio for more amazing content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.